Welcome to Home Chat. So today we're going to talk about mortgage loan pre-approvals. So often in the first call that we get from a buyer or someone interested in purchasing a home, the first thing we tell them is you have to talk to a loan officer about getting pre-approved for a mortgage loan. That is going to help inform you about what price bracket you're shopping in, give you an estimate on what your closing costs might be, the kind of loan that you're going to get, which impacts the kind of house that we're searching for you. So with me again is Kasie Willis from Auto Mortgage Masters. So when I tell a buyer to call Kasie and get their pre-approval, what does that mean for the buyer?
Okay, so that means we are going to get into your business.
Okay.
So you're going to call, or I'll take an application over the phone, or I have an online application link that Realtor send out as well. So it's going to ask you all of your personal information. It's going to ask you what you make at work. It's going to ask you how long you've been there and what type of loan that you want, that you're looking for, if you know that. If not, that's something we can absolutely do together while we're going through it. So from the pre-approval process, where it starts is we're going to pull credit and then take the income that you've given us, make sure that you qualify based off what the debt you already have. Add in the new house payment. We're going to put in there all those things, make sure you still qualify. You're under those debt to income ratios, specifically to the loan type. Every loan type is going to have a different ratio maximum where you're allowed to, or you can't go over.
Yeah.
So make sure we meet all those things. Make sure you have enough assets. People go into it thinking that the seller is going to cover closing costs, or they don't have a down payment, or they don't know what it is, and maybe they think they have enough money and they don't, or maybe they don't think they do, but they do. And those are also different based on loan type as well. So we'll go through all those scenarios for each loan type. Some loans you could qualify for, some you couldn't based off credit score.
Sure.
So we'll definitely go through all those things, and then make sure you know that you're comfortable. So when I pull it and I say, okay, based off what you told me, this is your monthly payment. Are you happy with that? If you are, great. If you feel like you could go higher, okay, good. I'll set those standards for you, tell you this is where you're at monthly. This is where you told me your max needs to be. So don't go over this point. Let your realtor know. I'll let you know. And then that's where you start shopping at.
Yeah, so they're walking away with an estimate of the closing costs they're going to need, the down payment or the amount of the down payment they're going to need, and their max price point.
Yes.
The absolute max that they can spend on a home.
Yes.
Okay, fantastic. And that's all the information that I need to be able to move forward with the buyer. Can you also, because this is a question we get a lot, you can also, if a buyer knows I don't want to spend any more than $1,300 a month, you can work backwards from that monthly mortgage payment into their max price point, right?
Yes, because maybe they can afford more, but they don't, because they want to go out, they want a vacation, whatever they need that money for. Then that's going to make sure that they're happy and they feel safe while they're looking with you guys, that they know when they make that offer and they get into this house that they're happy, because now they've set the standard and they know that they're not going to go over that.
Yes, perfect. Okay, so you heard it from Kasie. If you are in the market to shop around for a mortgage loan, or you're thinking that you're getting ready and want to purchase a home, the pre-approval process is the absolute first step. All right, stay with us.